everybody, welcome to April's Books. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple race game. You use the keyboard to control. So at first you go to scratch.edu and click create. So today we're not going to draw any sprites. You can draw them yourself, but you could choose a sprite. I'm going to choose a sprite today. The shadow slowly. Choose another sprite. It could be any sprite you want. I don't like this. Banana. Apple and banana racing in a what? Oh, size 150. 150. Perfect. So we're going to choose background. Indoors. Yes, the race in the fridge. Voila! So the race in the fridge begins. So I'm going to add 2 lines to backups. So we're going to add the line convert to bitmap, then use this line. Drag it into place. Live to the dark side, go over and live on the dark side. I see it, I feel it, where was the younger feelings? I love this song. So let's go into the coding. First, go to the first sprite. So we'll do when space key pressed. Hey, when space key pressed. So when space is pressed, something happens, and then you move 10 steps. So So I want it when it's touching this line, it says win. So we're going to grab an if then statement, and go if touching, go to sensing, and if touching color, and you need to click this so you can. Yep. Do this color. If touching what? If touching colored green, then say hey. Say apple wins. Then we want the whole game to end, so we'll use stop. So we'll go to this place. When fact, so when you click the fact, it goes here. Apple ends, and then you stop. So you do the same thing for the banana. And here's a hack. Drag it, and voila! So you do banana wins. And when right clicked, go to this place. But here's a fault. So we're going to change it when right arrow key press. Banana wins, apple wins at the same time. Okay. So here's the whole point of the game. And you draw a face. Wait a minute. Okay, and this is my new original character. I love it. But anyways, let's get back to the game. This song is The Dark Side, so I'm going to draw beautiful eyes for the apple, but this red is far too red. It looks better than it. So I'm going to draw eyes. I'm going to draw a cute apple. There's something in your eyes. The shadows know me. Take me from the night to the dark side. Okay, so this is the whole point of the game. So this is the end of today's video, but I want you to join my Google Classroom. Please, please, please. You can learn all sorts of stuff and you have challenges. Yeah, making Scratch games. So this is the end of today's video. Like, subscribe, and share it to people. Bye!